Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use for loop. First, let's go to our index.html file, remove this, and then type bar cars equals Honda, then Toyota, next is Ford, next is Lexus, then bar text equals, then bar I, then for I equals 0, then I is less than cars length, then I plus plus, then text plus equals cars I plus br. Next is document that get element by id test that inner html equals text. Save it, refresh your browser, and it's working. That's it. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.